We have established relationships with Tier 1 financial institutions and private equity providers. We work closely with them and are familiar with their internal processes, so we can manage a smooth process when funding your metering projects. Meter Corp can fund projects on a short or long-term basis, or if different elements of each tranche need their own tenor, we can arrange that too. Meter Corp can fund upfront funding for an agreed volume of meters or staged funding. Full funding upfront provides greater flexibility to pay the manufacturers as and when they meet pre-agreed requirements and milestones. Meter Corp's flexible funding mechanisms allow our clients to fund additional upfront costs, technical assurance, legal support, etc. We tailor funding models for our clients to match their requirements for interest rate, NPV, cash, payment term, etc. Meter Corp. Smart Funding Solutions.